Welcome back to Royal Wood Flooring. Here we are in downtown Phoenix. It is May 25th, 2020. Hello! And this is the beautiful historical home. We'll be sanding and refinishing. Natural. Let's go inside and take a look. And this is a before video, and we'll have one after. It is a white oak, and as you can tell, it's a pretty amazing home. It does have the cove ceilings. It's a work in progress, and the floor definitely needs some love. We'll be sanding the living room. This is the dining room. Over here in the kitchen, we pulled out all the wood floor, and this is all new flooring installed. They had to do new plumbing, so this is sitting on joists. This is one of the bedrooms in here, and second bedroom, third bedroom, and that is the front entryway. Let's go see, so you could see that this is the front bedroom. I want to make sure I keep it quick, this video, this way it doesn't drag on too long. And they did keep the brick chimney fireplace. This is the second bedroom. And this is the third one. Let's go ahead, and this is probably the nicest part right here is this beautiful pine floor. This is going to turn out amazing. You can see, well, you can see a little bit of it. And there it is. That's a pine floor. It's a soft wood, but it will turn out just gorgeous. And they did keep the brick facade. That was the old part of the house, and this was added on. That's why it's a different kind of flooring in here. And it is a pine floor. Give us a call today at royalwoodflooring.com, 602-446-2613. We are located in Central Phoenix. We're here to assist you in your wood flooring, laminate, vinyl flooring installation, sanding and refinishing projects that you may have. We're licensed, bonded, and insured, so don't hesitate to give us a call. This is just a before video, and probably within the next few days we'll make our after video, and you will see the amazing transformation that we can do, how we'll bring this old floor back to life. It will look just like it did back in 1930s. And there is our beautiful work truck. So keep following us. You'll be amazed at the transformation. Thank you so much. We'll see you on the next video.